so now we're going to apply Ohm's law and solve this series circuit. There are a few laws that you need to know about a series circuit in electricity when it comes to DC electricity. First of all, we understand that DC stands for direct current, which is a battery that we have here for direct current, and electricity is flowing from positive to negative through the resistors. So what we have here is a series circuit, and we have 3 resistors. Just going to write this down here as an inventory, and 1 battery. Now, the laws that I spoke of, that in a series circuit, all resistors add up. And when I say that, I mean that R1 plus R2 plus R3 equals R total. In a parallel circuit it is different. We'll cover that later, but in a series circuit the resistors add up. Therefore, we have 100 ohms plus 100 ohms plus 100 ohms, which equals 300 ohms, which is our resistance total. Now, we have 2 of the variables, and we have 1 unknown. The unknown that we don't know in this particular circuit is I. We know what V is, and we know what R is, and we want to solve for I. Therefore, we're going to take 12 volts DC divided by 300 ohms, which gives us 0.04 amps. Because remember, V is measured in volts, R is measured in ohms, and I is measured in amps. Now let's just check algebraically. We can check to make sure that we have done this properly. We can take and solve for V if you'd like to in this particular case. This is just to prove that it works. So we're going to take V, which we actually know is 12 volts, but we're going to use our answer and just check our work. So it's going to be V equals I times R. Well, we know that it's 12 volts, but we're going to take 0.04 times 300 ohms. And let's make sure that comes up to 12 volts, which it does. 0.04 times 300 equal 12. Therefore, it checks. We know that our answer is 0.04 amps.